Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This week in class, a student of mine who I hadn't seen for the last month suddenly reappeared. She lives in Tbilisi in Georgia, and it turns out that actually she'd spent the last month on holiday in Brazil, a fact I was rather jealous of. She was also complaining that she now felt exhausted because she'd only got back that morning after what had been a 32-hour flight. And she'd flown from Recife to Tbilisi, but with 2 stopovers. She'd stopped over in Rio de Janeiro and then she'd stopped over again in Lisbon. And of course, the stopovers add to the length of journey. We often talk about stopping over or a stopover when we're talking about stopping in a certain place when we're flying. Usually because we're then changing flights and you have to try and make your connecting flight. Although sometimes you might stop over for a day or a couple of days. And you often hear examples like we stopped over in New York en route to Seattle, but unfortunately we didn't have time to go out and explore the city. Or the stopover's very tight. We've only got about 45 minutes in Stuttgart. I hope we make our connecting flight. We stopped over in Singapore for a couple of days on our way home from Australia. Our tickets to New Zealand include a 3-night stopover in Malaysia. And you often hear time adjectives used with these. So you talk about things like a 3-hour stopover, a 2-day stopover. And you sometimes hear this used in news stories as well. So you might hear things like the president made a brief stopover in Kyiv on his way to the summit. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use stopover.